Hey there, I'm Mayorphy, and welcome to this Blender tutorial series where we're going to build this cozy stylized 3D kitchen environment completely from scratch. This scene was originally made for a mobile game contest and optimized for performance, and this entire series is designed so you, even as a beginner, can follow along step by step. We'll go through modeling furniture, creating props, applying materials, setting up lighting, and rendering the final scene. And if you want to take things to the next level, I'll also show you how to texture in Substance Painter. This course is designed so that all you need is Blender 4.4, completely free and available at blender.org. Additionally, if you want to take your textures to the next level and learn how to create more advanced surface details, I'll also walk you through a bonus part using Substance Painter. Before we start modeling, let me show you the most useful shortcuts in Blender that you'll see throughout this series. Don't worry about remembering all of them, I'll always show you on screen what keys I'm pressing, and I'll tell you exactly what to do as we go. If you press G, you can move objects freely in 3D space. If you press R, you can rotate objects in any direction. And with S, you can scale objects. To add a new object, press Shift with A, this opens the Add menu. Press Tab to switch between Object Mode and Edit Mode. In Edit Mode, press E to extrude a face and pull out new geometry. Press I to inset a face, this is useful for adding surface details. Use Ctrl and R to add a loop cut, great for adding more geometry. Press X to delete whatever is selected. Use the number pad 1 for front view, 3 for side view, and 7 for top view. And finally, hold the middle mouse button to orbit around your scene. We'll use these shortcuts all the time, but again, don't stress. You'll pick them up naturally as we go. That's it for this intro episode. Now you know the most important Blender shortcuts, and you're ready to start building. In the next video, we'll begin blocking out our kitchen layout, we'll create the floor, walls, and set up the camera to frame the scene. If you want, you can get the final Blender scene with finished lighting and textures from my Gumroad, link is below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.